Hey. Woohoo! Ooh. Ooh.
I do it a smart way. What's these?
Ow! What is this?
Why are you only mining the purple rocks?
I don't know, look more cool. Nope. Don't walk that way.
Why?
I heard some stuff. Come. Come on.
What is there to be scared of?
A big spider.
It's okay. You can just kill it.
That's true.
Like we did with the last one.
The last one almost ate you alive. And it's still alive. But it's not dead probably, since I just blew it up. Frick, there it is.
It's right there. I'm gonna kill it.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah. What the? What is this?
Try it out or something.
Ah!
Oh, which one should I keep?
You're a lifesaver. Oh shoot, lightsaber. Bro, I found something.
What happened?
Lava. Let's not be here.
Let's be here. This place is cool.
No, come.
Why?
Let's not be here. It's not scary. The frick? Oh, the garden. Oh, come on. Sorry about that.
Sorry, I got flashbang.
Ow!
It's that thing. I killed my friend once.
A sword.
The heck? I'm not keeping that.
Bro,
That
come
thing
on.
probably is weak.
Bro, come on. Let's go. Bro, come on.
Sorry, there's so much gold.
Just, hey, you're the gold, bro. We're the only ones here.
But still.
Whoa, is that lava? Whoa, ignore the lava. Look at these goods. It's besides something with your goods, you know?
It's another minute. Just don't hit it.
You hit him.
Oh,
Kill him.
I didn't mean to. Is she okay?
Yeah, he's dead.
Got it.
What's
Let me
that?
go here.
I'll be here.
I love this.
I don't trust this place. Just please don't die.
It won't.
Sure.
So cool. Lava rocks. Oh, more. No. I need this gold. I love gold.
Of course you do.
Okay. Love killing. Yes.
What is this?
Try it out.
Oh, it's just that. Okay, there.
Look, my grappler.
Okay. Ow.
Yo, where are you?
Where are you?
Wait! No!
Hello?
Oh my god!
Where are you?
I don't know.
Are you still with the base of the lava? Hello? Are you still at lava? Hello? What the? What the? Hello? Where is he? I need one of those iPads. Wrong place. Is he here? What? It stopped working. Hello? Hello? It's useless now. Hello? Hello? Ugh! Hate this. Of course that happens, you know? Of course he dies. Of course. Should have known. Just. Hello? 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 Where's your ghost? What? It's still here. You're here somewhere, aren't you? You're here somewhere. He's dead. Skip all this dumb crap. I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna go somewhere. Ugh. 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 Not high enough. I'd still survive that. I need a hook shot. You know what? You know what? I'm sorry.